Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Dialogue's YouTube channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. We're so happy you're here with us again.
Today, we're going to talk about something that happens to all of us, something a little frustrating.
Oh, what is it?
Shopping problems. Have you ever bought something and then later you thought, oh no, this is wrong?
Oh, yes, many times, too many times.
Right? Maybe the shirt is too small, or the color is different, or it just doesn't work.
And then you have to go back to the store and talk to the cashier and explain the problem.
That can be scary in English. You feel nervous. You don't know the right words.
Exactly. So today, we'll practice. We'll learn simple phrases to return something or exchange something.
But first, James, how are you today? You look happy.
Smiles. I am happy. I bought something new yesterday, a new jacket.
Oh, nice. What color?
It's a dark blue, very soft. I love it.
That sounds great. Was it a good price?
Yes, it was on sale, 50% off.
Wow, 50%. That's a great deal. Good job.
Thank you. But I have a shopping problem story too, from last month.
Tell me.
Okay, so I bought a coffee maker online. A nice one. It was not cheap.
A coffee maker. Important purchase.
Very important. I love coffee. So it arrives, I open the box, I'm so excited.
And?
And it's broken. A piece inside is cracked. I can't use it.
No, that's the worst feeling.
It was terrible. I was so disappointed. I waited 3 days for it, and it's broken.
So what did you do?
I had to return it. I had to go to the store and explain.
Were you nervous?
A little, but I prepared. I practiced what to say.
Smart. What did you say?
I went to the customer service desk. I have the coffee maker in the box. I had my receipt.
Receipt is very important. That paper that shows you paid.
Yes. So I walked up, I smiled, I said, "Hello, I have a problem."
Simple. I have a problem. That's a good start.
Then I said, "I bought this coffee maker here last week, but it's broken."
I bought this here. It's broken. Clear and simple.
The cashier was very nice. She said, "I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have your receipt?"
Of course, that's the first question.
I gave her the receipt. She looked at it. She said, "No problem. You can return it or exchange it."
Return or exchange. Return means you get your money back. Exchange means you get a different one.
Right. I wanted a new one. So I said, "I would like to exchange it, please, for the same one."
I would like to exchange it, please. Perfect. Polite and clear.
She said, "Sure, give me one moment." She went to the back. She came back with a new box. She checked it this time to make sure it wasn't broken.
Good idea.
She said, "This one looks good. I'm sorry again about the first one." I said, "Thank you so much. I appreciate your help."
I appreciate your help. That's a very nice thing to say.
And that was it. I walked out with a new coffee maker, and it works perfectly.
See? You did it. You communicated. You got help.
It wasn't scary at all. The cashier was friendly. She wanted to help.
That's the thing. Most cashiers want to help. It's their job, so don't be scared.
Exactly. Okay, let's practice more situations. What are some reasons people return things?
Good question. Let's think. Maybe the size is wrong.
Yes, this shirt is too small, or these shoes are too big.
Too small and too big. Very useful.
Or maybe the color is wrong. I ordered blue, but this is green.
That happens. Or maybe you just changed your mind. You don't want it anymore.
Can you return something just because you changed your mind?
In many stores, yes, but you have to do it quickly, within a few days, and you need the receipt.
Good to know. So what do you say? I changed my mind. I would like to return this.
Perfect. I changed my mind. That's a very common phrase.
Okay, let's practice a full conversation. I'll be the customer, you be the cashier.
Okay. Friendly cashier voice. Hello. Welcome. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have a problem with something I bought.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I bought this sweater yesterday, but it's too small. I need a larger size.
I see. Do you have your receipt with you?
Yes, here it is.
Okay. Thank you. Let me check if we have a larger size.
Okay, thank you.
I'm sorry, we don't have a larger size in this color, but we have it in blue. Would you like to exchange for the blue one?
Blue. Can I see it first?
Of course. Let me show you. Pretends to show sweater. Here it is.
Oh, that's nice. Yes, I'll take the blue one.
Great, and I'll return the gray one. Give me one moment to process the exchange.
Thank you so much.
All done. Here's your new sweater, and here's your new receipt. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you for your help.
Normal voice. How was that?
That felt very natural. Good practice.
Did you notice the phrases, I have a problem, it's too small, do you have a larger size? Can I see it first?
Yes, and the cashier was helpful. She offered a solution.
That's important. Sometimes the store doesn't have what you want, then you might need to return for money.
How do you say that? I would like my money back.
Yes, I would like a refund, please. Refund means your money back.
I would like a refund, please. Good.
Or you can say, can I return this for a refund?
Okay, let's practice that situation. You bought something, but it's broken.
Okay. Customer voice. Excuse me, I need help.
Of course, what can I do for you?
I bought this lamp here 3 days ago, but when I got home, it didn't work. It won't turn on.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Do you have your receipt?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thank you. Let me check. Okay, yes, I see the purchase. Would you like to exchange it for a new one?
Do you have the same lamp in stock?
Let me check. I'm sorry, we don't have this lamp right now. It's sold out.
Oh, okay. Then I would like a refund, please.
Of course, I can do that for you. Give me one moment.
Thank you.
Here you go. Your refund is complete. The money will go back to your card in a few days.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Normal voice. Perfect. That was a smooth conversation.
Yes, and notice she didn't get upset. She just helped.
Exactly. Now, what about online shopping? Sometimes you buy online and need to return by mail.
That's a little different. Usually you go to the website, you print a return label.
A return label. That's a sticker for the box.
Right. Then you put it in the mail. But sometimes you still need to call customer service.
Yes, on the phone it can be harder because you can't see the person.
Right. No face, no gestures, just voice.
So on the phone, you need to be very clear. Speak slowly.
You can say, I received my order, but it's damaged, or I received the wrong item.
I received the wrong item. That's common. Maybe you ordered a phone case, but they sent a screen protector.
That happened to my friend. He was so annoyed.
I bet. So on the phone, you say, hello, I have a problem with my order. Order number is?
Always have your order number ready. That helps them find you fast.
Yes. Then they will say, I'm sorry. We can send you the correct item or give you a refund.
And you choose. Please send the correct item, or I would like a refund.
Good. Now, do you have another funny shopping story, James?
Oh, yes. This one is embarrassing.
Tell me.
Okay. A few years ago, I bought a shirt. It was a nice shirt, blue with white stripes.
Sounds nice.
I wore it once, then I washed it, and it became very small.
Oh no, it shrunk?
Yes, it shrunk a lot. It was a shirt for a child after washing.
Oh no.
So, I went back to the store. I had the shirt in a bag. I had my receipt.
Good.
I went to the cashier. I said, hello, I bought this shirt last week. I washed it one time, and now it's too small.
That's a good explanation.
The cashier looked at the shirt. She looked at me. She said, sir, this shirt says dry clean only on the tag.
No, you didn't read the tag?
I did not read the tag. I felt so silly.
What did you say?
I said, oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't see that. My face was red, very red.
What did the cashier do?
She was very nice. She said, don't worry, it happens. This time I will help you, but next time, please check the tag.
That was so kind of her.
She gave me a store credit so I could buy a new shirt, and I learned a very important lesson.
Always read the tag.
Always. Now I check every tag. Machine wash, dry clean, cold water. I read everything.
That's a great story, and it shows that even when you make a mistake, people can still help you.
Exactly. The cashier didn't laugh at me. Well, a little, but she helped.
A little laugh is okay. So let's review the key phrases for shopping problems.
First, start polite. Excuse me or hello.
Then explain the problem. I have a problem with this item.
I bought this here yesterday or last week.
It's too small, too big, the wrong color.
It's broken. It doesn't work.
I would like to return it, please, or I would like to exchange it.
I would like a refund, please. Can I get my money back?
And always have your receipt ready. Here is my receipt.
If they offer a solution, you can say, yes, that works for me, or no thank you, I prefer a refund.
And always say thank you at the end. Thank you for your help.
Politeness is important everywhere.
Yes. So for everyone watching, don't be afraid to return something. It happens to everyone.
Stores want you to be happy. They want you to come back.
So if something's wrong, speak up. Use these simple phrases.